Lots of people say I'm born to tear up sofas, but almost no one talks about how I rip open Lao Zhang's hidden jerky bags. Many dogs chew up slippers, but few go for Lao Zhang's laptop. Countless dogs gnaw on door frames, but hardly any bite his limited edition figurines. So where is this natural destructive instinct? Everyone claims it is just me acting out because I'm bored. Blaming mistakes on doggy nature is just making excuses. A truly bored dog chews on chew toys. A fake bored one specifically targets the things Lao Zhang cares about most. Remember, a dog that doesn't destroy stuff isn't necessarily good, but one that destroys your favorite things, definitely doing it on purpose. Leave me home alone all day, and I'll show you my displeasure. Don't let dog nature take the blame for your neglect.